Hello everyone, welcome back to DIY Geek channel. In this video we are going to unbox and review this BOSCH GRL800-20HV, which is an 800 feet maximum distance rotary level laser. Okay, we're gonna open the box. So it comes with this nice case. It's very strong, so everything inside here is protected. This is the receiver for the laser, and I believe this is the holder to hold the laser and also to hold the measuring stick, which comes in right here. This is the measuring stick. We're gonna go look at the main measuring stick a little bit more later. This is the main laser right here. So the head spins, rotates there in the middle, and it's protected by this very sturdy guard. And at the back, oh, by the way, I bought this one factory reconditioned, about half the price. So I'm gonna put the link in the description where you can buy this factory reconditioned Bosch. I bought this one for about $250 to $300, I think. It's practically brand new. I don't see anything wrong with it. Not even a scratch. So it looks practically brand new. I hope it works just as good. And yeah, so this is the main laser. Not sure what this is yet. There's sunglasses there, or laser protector, eye protector. This is, I think this is the mount. Not sure, we'll go into that later. And then it comes with two D-size batteries and two 9-volt. I mean, one 9-volt, sorry. All right, so it comes with a tripod also. This is the, it's a pretty heavy tripod. Looks like it can have two extensions here. Very nice. Looks like it's very well made. It has a very sharp, pointy foot at the end. It's tied together with a Velcro. This is where the part where it screws into the main head laser. So it looks like a very sturdy tripod. We're gonna change or load the batteries. This is the battery compartment right here, and all you have to do is just unlock it, which is to 12 o'clock position. And once you have that, you just pull it out, and there's a place for two D-size batteries there. So we're just going to put in the first one. Plus on top on the left, and then the plus at the bottom on the right. So it fits in very snugly, just like that. And let's put it in and lock it. All right, let's give it a test. It's making a lot of noises. And the laser is shooting out. I don't know if you can see that. There's a blinking laser. Actually it's shooting out on the top, and so it's shooting multi-direction. All right, and now it stops. Oh, I think I know why. I'm probably driving it crazy because I'm not level and I keep moving. So let me turn this off and put it on a tripod. Oops. How do you turn this off? Okay. Oh. I don't know how to turn it off. It just keeps turning itself on. So maybe we just remove it for now. Remove the battery, and I'm gonna read the manual real quick to see how to turn it on and off. Okay, so I have already set up the laser here, and so it's just a quick, easy setup by turning the bolt there, the screw, to tighten it up, and after it's tightened up, to turn it on is pretty easy. Make sure that you wear your glasses. I already have mine on from my 3D laser printer, which is better glass than this. So make sure you wear your eye protection before you turn it on, because these lasers are pretty strong. So to turn it on, just press the power button. Make sure that you're not constantly moving or shaking the unit, because right now it's going to try to self-level. It's going to take about 20 seconds for it to self-level, and during the self-leveling you'll notice that there is going to be a laser that shoots out vertically. It's right there. I don't know if you can see, there's a laser right at the fan blade. Okay, and then okay, so this right now is actually already level. So it starts shooting laser. I hope you can see it all around the room. There are different modes of operation here. You can actually click on the spin, and it looks like it's gonna spin faster on the second operation. And then if I press that spin button again, it's gonna go back to regular speed. Actually, this looks like it's a slower speed. Let me see. If I press it again, it goes to medium, and then press it again. That goes to fast. Yeah, so there's slow, medium, and fast speeds. Let's bring it down to slow. There is also a feature here where it can do angle. So if you click on this particular button here, it will do an angle. So as you can see there, it's shooting an angle right there. Let me try to point that to a wall so that you can see it better. Okay, so since I moved it, it's gonna try to refocus. Re-level. See, there you go. Right now it's focusing at that particular angle there. There's also a spot mode, which is, let me try to press this one again. If you press the angle again, I think it's gonna go to a spot mode. Oh, that's actually a wider angle. Pressing again. That's even a more wider angle. I think they should go to a point or spot mode. I don't know where the laser is at though. Okay, so it's pointing there, and it's kind of hard to see. Let me move this, and it's gonna try to auto level, I bet. Okay, so it's auto leveling right now, but when it's level, it's gonna shoot the laser there, and it's gonna become solid. Yeah, so the laser, if it's blinking, that means it's not level yet, and you're gonna have to watch out to make sure that you get it level so that it's solid. Then that's a good point right there. That's a nice strong laser. Let me go through some of the other accessories. So this is the standard stick, and this is the laser receiver. So you actually don't have to use the laser receiver if you're able to pick up the laser on this stick. But sometimes when when you're measuring level far away, like past 200 feet, 300 feet, etc., you may not be able to detect the laser on the stick. So you're gonna need to use this receiver. And the receiver works pretty easily. Let me demonstrate this by putting the GoPro on the tripod first. Okay, so I'm going to switch the laser to rotational mode. So after it's leveling, it's going to start rotating. Okay, so as you can see, you can easily tell that the laser is here at that's 1 feet, 2 feet, 3 feet. Sorry, 3 feet. No, it's not actually quite 3 feet. So that's 2 feet and 11 inches and a hair. So this is easily seen. Obviously, you don't need to have a laser receiver, but I'm just going to demonstrate how, if you would be pretending that you are 300 feet away, you probably would like to use the receiver, and you just turn it on, and you get it to the right location. Hang on a second, it's not on yet. Okay, so we got it on, and so let me show you how it works with the laser receiver. It's pretty simple. Once you got it turned on, and this thing works by, you just press the wait, first turn it on. And okay, so once you got it turned on, you would want to make sure that you press this button right here to get the speaker on, or press it again with that double beep, and press the center button here so that it starts scanning. So you have to be facing the laser in order for you to get good laser. If you are slightly in an angle, you may not be able to get the laser. And so if you're facing straight, okay, so to use the laser receiver, you first turn it on, all the light comes on, and it starts picking up the laser. One thing to note here is that you cannot use the laser receiver on an angle. See, if it's on an angle, it's not directly facing the laser, you're not going to get good reception even at this distance. If you're angling, you're not going to get it. So you got to be facing the laser directly. Once you're facing the laser directly, if you're hearing a very fast beep, that simply means that you are too high and you need to bring it down lower. And then that's too low, you need to bring it up higher if it's a slow beep. So somewhere in between here, and you need to make sure also that there's a level on the back side of this. So once you get to that good zone, you would want to just make sure that you're level at the back. And once you get that torpedo level, you're gonna get that solid long beep in the blue. That means that you are perfectly aligned, perfectly level. And I'm trying to get this to the blue. There you go. There. So this is good enough right here. This is within probably 1/8 of an inch of being perfectly level and picked up here. And then you would read where you are, and then you are exactly at 2 feet 11 inches right there. Okay. So turn it off. Just press it again and press the laser to turn off, and that's it. Like I said before, this is a very important device to have if you're doing construction and you need to be leveling long distances for like driveway concrete, or even just doing patios, etc. outdoor. So this laser, in comparison to the indoor laser, really is probably because of its distance and its strength, and then the laser receiver. So if you don't have a laser receiver, you really can't do anything past probably 100 to 150 feet. I'm going to take this off to a job, and I'm going to show you how to use this to determine levels and to use it on a job. Well, thank you for watching. If you find this video useful, please give it a thumbs up. And again, please check my video description for a link where you can buy this for just $250. This is factory refurbished by Bosch, but it is very good. It's in very good condition, just like new. And I think I would recommend this for anybody that is trying to buy a rotary laser. Thank you again. Have a good day. Bye. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to see more do-it-yourself video like these and support my channel. Thank you.